next report, we're going to demonstrate how to use the Analyze feature in the AO scan. Once you've completed the vitals, you obviously have some direction of where you need to look at. That direction may consist of some of these categories listed in the comprehensive area of the AO scan. In this case, we've selected arteries of the head and arteries of the left leg, just as an example. To move to the Analyze feature, you need to select a specific area you want to analyze product or services against. In this case, we're going to choose arteries of the head, since it seems like there's more urgent areas that need to be addressed in that area. By clicking on the Analyze feature, it'll bring up a supplement and therapy analysis tool, listing the customer name along with the specific area of the body that we're going to be testing against. In this area, you'll see a box of supplements, and these are categories. Each one of these categories, as you can see here by clicking on it, lists additional categories. If I press the Analysis button now, it would analyze all of these, bringing up the primary ones, highlighting the ones that it would need, the body has the most benefit by using. In the manual supplement / therapy area, you'll see that supplement being listed there. Let's give one a try while we're explaining. I'm going to reset this back to this, and then I'll explain some of the other features of this tool. Hitting the test button here, we're going to analyze this. As it's moving through, the system automatically does the scan assessment and the body stress assessment along with the conclusion at the very end. It's going through and cycling through this whole list to find the best group of products that would be ideal for the individual. Keep in mind that during this scan we are testing arteries of the head. A scan assessment tool ranging from 0 to 100. Now ideally we're looking for something over 70% to have a beneficial impact on the body, and usually around 30% or lower on the body stress. Now why is that important? When you're taking a product for a specific area of the body, sometimes that can cause compounding effects, say, on the kidneys. Now when that is true, you identify that there are stresses. Like in this case, we see this product specifically has a greater than 70% effectiveness, meaning it's beneficial, and a 30-degree impact on the body, or 30% impact on the body's overall stress. So it does provide some stress, but overall the system is feeling it's ideal. Now, as a disclaimer, final adjustments are made up to the used for the doctor and or technician and a qualified. This is simply to give you some initial guidance. During this process, the system identifies these areas. The lower the stress number, the better on the body. So we can see that this is a ideal product, or is one of the most ideal. Sometimes you'll find these to be over 100. We can reset this, and you can start again. And that went through a specific area. Now what we're going to do is we're going to test a specific product by simply double-clicking, which moves it into this category here, which is a manual supplement. Now we can do analysis on just that product alone. Now, we see that this product alone is a prime example of something that would not be beneficial necessarily for the body. We're seeing an overall assessment of only being around 46%, and the body stress level of the product is well over 30% at 46%. Ideal conclusion, it's only 2%, so 5 being ideal. Now let's take a look at one more. Reset. And if you want to select asparagus extract here and analyze for the analysis. Now during this process you'll be going through and checking to see which products are the best that might have the most benefit or the most impact on the body. So we see here at 68%, this is not really a product that we'd recommend, and the body stress level, although is relatively low, 5 is ideal. So this is marginal. Would they feel some benefit? They would. In the next video, we'll notice some advanced features.